Hello again, everyone. We got another ChoroQ bus here. I took Google Translate to it and I couldn't figure out what any of this text meant, so I have no clue what this bus is all about. There's no plastic wrapper, so it's definitely used. If anyone knows what this bus is or what its purpose is, I think it's a route bus. I don't know. That logo is probably familiar to someone. I just don't know, but definitely not me. So we're going to have to just continue without photographs today. We have some tampo printed, blue stripes going along this thing, and then a little silver logo again. Standard white ChoroQ wheels. The windows here, you can see a gray interior, some small seat backs, and then you can see a little steering wheel there, and I guess the money machine there. This is a little sticker here carrying over this graphic, but it actually is the clear plastic, or it's printed on with paint. I think it's actually paint, not a sticker. I like the headlights, black with silver, and then the license plate number, some molded turn signals, and then, yeah, matte finish blue, gray up here. It's not glossy, whereas this is a little glossier. Some red taillights printed on, that text again. Google Translate didn't help me, and then just 10-16, so no idea. HD, a high grade, number 49. I think I might actually have this casting already, but in a different colorway. Alright, that's all I know. If anyone knows what that bus is about, please leave a comment. Let's take a look at a couple of their buses from ChoroQ. So, yeah, the same casting is this red one, which if you look at the review of Keihan, it's actually a bus company, Keihan. But that's the exact same casting for what I can tell, but the printing is a bit different, and obviously chrome wheels. Alright, and it doesn't have the graphic there, so it looks a little bit different from the front end. Alright, and then I have a whole bunch of other buses here, which I have no clue really what most of them are, and then even where they run. I like this one a lot. It's got a lot of details. That's a Mount Fuji tour bus, this one. And then this is like an airport shuttle bus. Alright. So all the other ones I put up there are different castings. You can just tell by their roof details. The only two that are identical are these two, but the front graphic is slightly different, so that's why I got it. It's my goal to get every casting of bus that ChoroQ has done. Why not? They're small enough, and they're inexpensive compared to other ChoroQs. So if that's your thing, look on eBay or other internet sources. Alright, let's get this guy spinning on its own here. Very quick video today, since I have no clue what it is. These things roll very easily. What kind of cartoon character today? It's blue, it's Japanese, so I have this super deformed Gundam. Maybe I need to put this Gundam right here to keep it from rolling away. Alright, another bus is in the collection, so hopefully I'll find some other unique castings and have some more videos to come later on. Alright, until later, drive safely or ride the bus safely. Don't talk to strangers. Bye bye.